Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is sponsored by Diva Tress. Thank you so much Diva Tress for sending over this hair. This hair is the free tress Cuban Gorgeous Locs in 12" and I do have them in a 1B. To create this U-part wig, I did use a free tress U-part oval part stocking net cap. I just crocheted the hair through the cap like I normally do. I have several videos on that and I will add them in the information bar down below. To create this unit, I did use I used 2 packs of hair and each pack has 2 bundles on it. So I used 4 bundles but only 2 packs. And then at the top of my hair, I used less than 1 bundle out of the 3rd pack. So to do this, all you need is 3 packs of hair. So here I'm showing you how I crocheted the hair through my braids that are left exposed. This is a U-part wig that is very easily removable. This is for my ladies who like to switch up their look all the time and don't want to commit to a crochet hairstyle that will be in your hair for over a month. I like to switch up my hair all the time, so this type of style allows me to save my crochets and not necessarily cut them out, because I know me, I'll be ready to change my hair within 3 days. And this way I can preserve the hair for a lot longer than just cutting it out and throwing it away. So these locks are super lightweight. If you've ever tried faux locks before, you know they're like airy and super lightweight. So this is for my ladies who don't want a lot of tension on their head, and even less tension because it's a U-part. You barely have 0 tension on your head. So I love this, and I love U-part units because where you actually put the comb into your hair is, for me, the strongest areas of my hair. Strongest area of my hair is the top and the crown, and that's where the combs are. So it's a very low tension hairstyle, and I love it. So then I decided to go ahead and gel my baby hairs down. I did use the edge control by Style Factor. I used the orange one, and I've actually really been liking the Style Factor edge control. It is quite expensive, but you know, I guess in a lot of ways it's sort of worth it. Of course, I still really like my Ebon edge control, and that still is my #1, but this one is slowly creeping into the 1.5 space. You guys know of any other edge controls that are really good that are out there that I haven't tried yet? Definitely shoot me a message or leave it in the comment section down below. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the style. You can find this hair on divatress.com. I'll leave links in the information bar down below so you can go ahead and grab you some of this hair. I will also leave links to where you can check out other U-part crochet units that I've made. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Make sure you're sharing these videos with a friend or a family member. And make sure you turn on your notifications. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.